So now what we are saying that I will increment it what if the value, if we get the value that is greater than equal to pivot. If we check that the value is greater than equal to pivot, then I will stop in that position. Otherwise, if the value is less than, then I will or normally incremented here. So that's why we are using the condition while AI less than equal to what? Less than equal to pivot. We are using that. A less than equal to pivot. That means what? I will check what? That the value is greater than equal to pivot. So that means here, if this condition happens that I value is less than equal to pivot, that means I will simply increase. It will not stop here. So that's why I plus plus. Same as that, we have to use another condition for J case also. J will do what? J will check if the value is less than pivot. If the value is less than pivot. But if it find, if J find that the value is greater than pivot, then J will simply do what? J will simply decrement here. J will simply do what? J will simply decrement. It will not stop. These are the two. If also be remembered, because this process will be continued how many times? Because if J crosses I, that means we have already find the position. But if I is less than J, that means we have to do this operation. So what we will do here, what we will do, that means if this function is not happening, that means AI is greater than pivot, then what? Its position will stop there. And J is what? J is finding the value that is less than the pivot. Then what will happen? They will interchange one another. So we are using a variable that is temp. So temp equal to AI. So that means what? If it find greater than value, I find the greater than value of the pivot, and J find that the value that is less than pivot, then these two will, I and J will interchange with each other, means swapping. So here we will use a variable for temporarily storing the value for swapping condition temp. So temp equal to AI, that means this will be a swapping condition. So AI equal to AJ and AJ equal to temp. Okay. So if I is less than equal to J, then we will do it. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to what? We have to use it in a do while loop. Use it. This total, we should use it inside a do while. Do will be present, we will use, because we are, and after that we will use a
Yeah, now it is visible.
The screen is, yes, sir. Okay. Network issues is going on now. That's why these problems happens. So this do while loop we will use here. Okay. It is not the one time. This process will goes on every times until j crosses the I. That's why we use the do while loop. Then after that, we are saying I am writing for your use that swap a low and a j. So that means what we say that we already find the position of the pivot. So that means what the pivot element A low, because pivot is present in present where in the A low position. So that means from there it will be now placed into the J's position. So that is what we will do. Temp equal to then A low equal to A j equal to what temp. So that means what? That means we have performed that after issuing that whatever after processing it, it has completed. So that means now we find the position of our pivot element. So replace that pivot element into the J's position. So through this we are doing this. Okay. Next, now we have to return that position. We have so this is the total happening. First we'll compile this. So we have to use, I am using the name. I'm using this name. So there is an error. So let's run this program. Now you see the first value is taken 3, 5, 2, 13, 12, 3, 2, 13, 45. And now it is, you see the position is sorted. All the elements are in the sorted order. The 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 12, 13, 14, 45. That means these are the in sorted here. So that means first this 3 is what we have chosen, this 3 as the pivot element. So you see this 3 is positioned here. So if we observe this, then it will be clear to you that how this processing works. How this processing works, in this processing, if you see that first, what are the elements we have taken? First, we will see what are the elements we have taken. 3, 5, let's say these are the elements we have taken. So that means how the partitioning algorithm is working here. How the partitioning algorithm works here, you can see what are the elements 3, 5, 2, 13, 12, 3, 2, 13, 45. So that means I will start from here, from 5 I will start. 3 is the pivot element. I will start from here. So that means what it will be? I start from here and J will start from here. J will start from this position. So J will check what? J will check first. I will be what? I there is 5. And J will check what? J will check that the value that is less than equal to pivot. So this means these are the not possible. This is also not less than equal to pivot. This is only less than equal to pivot. 2 is only the less than equal to pivot. And here I will check what? That the value that is greater than equal to pivot. So I is getting that 5 is what? 5 is greater than equal to pivot. So that means if we see in the first step, what will happen? In the first step that it will happen 3, then what? There is 5 and there is 2. It is less than pivot and it is I is what? Greater than pivot. So that means it will exchange here. And this will what? 13, then 12, then 3, then 5, then 13, then 45. Okay, so first step, this has done. So after that, it will implemented. I will go in this position. I will go in this position. It is what? It is less than equal to pivot. So that means what? I will not stop here. I will check what? The greater values. So 13 is what? 13 is the greater values. And here it will check what? It will check 3. 3 is what? 3 is the less than equal to pivot. So that means in this process, what will happen? It will become 3, 2, 2. So position will be 13 and 3 position will be exchanged. So that here it will be 3, then 12, then 13, then 5, then again 13, then again 45. So now it will increment, it will goes to this position, it will goes here. So in this position, what will happen in this position? So I is what? I is here. So it is what? 12. And J will check what? J will check that the value that is less than equal to pivot. 13 is not less than equal to pivot. 12 is also not less than equal to pivot. It will goes here. Now if J goes here, I is in what position? This position. That means the position of the pivot is now fixed. The position of the pivot because J crosses I. So now we have find the position of the pivot. So that means this fourth position will be the pivot. So that means this 3 will move here. Here also it is 3 present, but this 3 will move here because we are choosing this 3 as the pivot. So this 3 will move here and this will goes here. So that means what will happen? It will happen like this, that 3, 2, 2, 3, 12, 13, 5, 13, 45. Now the pivot is gone here. So if we see according to this pivot element, in the left side, all elements present are less than equal to all elements are present right side you see are greater than pivot. Okay, this is what we can say the first call for partition for partition. This process goes here. Is that to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So then you perform this code and run this program. I will show the screen. Where is the- Now you see this, and I will give you the 15 minutes time. You run this program, and after that I will see everyone's programming. Okay. Okay, so now I will call out the names and I will see the programs. So for first, I will call out CRM. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am giving you the option for sharing. You
Yes.
share the screen. I've given the permission to you.
Is it visible, sir?
No, no, no. Till now it is now it is showing the CRM started screen share. Yes. Okay.
Sir, here one parameter is missing.
No, no, this will be not quick sort. This will be print array. In the main, this will be here. This is not the quick sort. This is the print array. Print array functions will be here. Instead of quick sort, it will be print array. First, save it.
Yes.
समझ में आया तो क्या है मतलब हम जैसे बोले पार्ट बाय पार्ट समझ में आया तो
Yes, sir.
okay.
Sir, but when I running, sir, it doesn't return sir sorted array.
Sorted देखते
Sir, it is showing this type of.
yes go outside you return that time no you stop the screen sharing I didn't say the stop the screen sharing I want to see the code
Yes, sir.
yes go upside ऊपर में जाओ no there is not necessary to use that here you didn't use delete that all the functions you have declared first in the outside void quick sort int all delete that
Yes.
okay, stop there. Then what you have used, you have mentioned that, and after that, okay, so we got low j equal to height 10. Okay, so in the do while loop, we have used that. Go if I equal to j, then temp equal to I less than equal to j, temp below j, and age equal to 10. Okay, then quicksort case partition index, partition low less than I. 1 minute, stop here. Partition quicksort. Okay, and go down,
Yes, sir.
then in main. Go from a minus 1 return 0. Okay. Now save it first.
Yes, sir.
First save it. First save it.
Sir, same problem, sir.
Okay, pause it.
Yes.
Share again. ऊपर में जाओ, हम बोलेंगे जब नीचे आने होगा बोलेंगे ऊपर से।
Yes.
ऊपर में जाओ, देखने दो अच्छे से।
Sir, it should be saved one more time and replace the previous one. सर
बोलो।
इसको फिर से सेव करके अगर प्रीवियस वन को रिप्लेस करेंगे तो हो सकता है। मेरा भी एरर आ रहा था पहले, तो फिर थोड़ा किया और उसके बाद फिर सेव किए पुराने वाले फाइल को रिप्लेस करके, तो फिर अभी मतलब रन हो रहा है प्रॉपर्ली।
अच्छा, तब वो कंपाइलर का थोड़ा इशू के लिए है शायद, इसीलिए। ठीक है, तुम करो एक बार वो फॉर्म, जैसे उसको कॉपी करके
Sir, same problem, sir.
प्रोग्राम तो ठीक ही है। तुम देख रहे हैं, तुम प्रोग्राम में जाओ एक बार ऊपर में।
Yes.
डिलीट कर देगी पूरा। इसका हाँ, राइट। हाँ हाँ करो। ओके, सेव करके रन करो फिर एक बार।
No, sir. Sir, why is this issue occurring, sir? Again and again.
Again and again, this issue is basically sometimes due to compilation, compiler, due to this problem happens. Okay, so this is not the wrong code, because in the case of the compiler, this happens sometimes.
Okay, sir. I will try once again, sir.
Okay. You stop the screen share. The code is okay. There is no problem. So
Okay, sir.
Ria,
Yes, sir. Yes,
share the screen.
yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. Sir, is it visible? Running screen?
अरे आउटपुट नहीं देख पा रहा है, मगर आउटपुट नहीं आया अभी तक स्क्रीन.
So now is it visible?
नहीं, आउटपुट नहीं देख पा रहा है. मतलब कोडिंग देख पा रहा है, मगर आउटपुट नहीं देख पा रहा है. हाँ, अभी देख पा रहा है. मगर इतना tools कहाँ से इनका टूल लिए थे एक्स्ट्रा कुछ,
नहीं सर.
बाकी सब चेंज हो गया. ठीक है, तुम एक काम करो तो नॉर्मल कुछ उसको क्रॉस करो, क्रॉस करके नॉर्मल आउटपुट लो. आउटपुट की जगह में जाओ कोडिंग का.
Sir, is it visible?
आउटपुट में जाओ, जहाँ मेन के अंदर ये दिए थे वो चेंज करके कोई दूसरा कुछ आउटपुट दो, जैसे तुमको लगता है ऐसा आउटपुट दो.